Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. You're gonna get the family of tomatoes, which is sun-dried tomatoes. And you're gonna get fresh mozzarella.
Ooh.
We are about to jazz up this sandwich, guys, and give you all'Italian here.
Beautiful.
We're giving you pesto on deck, and pesto is basil with pine nuts and garlic and olive oil. That's really what it's made out of.
Really?
Yes, you got some fresh mozzarella, and you have some sun-dried tomato with herbs, and you have some basil, some fresh basil out of our garden.
Yeah.
My husband has been planting some vegetables and some herbs for us that we kind of use frequently. And we have some balsamic glaze. And I don't use butter when I make my grilled cheese because I find that when you use butter, it burns your grill elements quicker and faster. So I use mayo just to kind of really allow your cheeses to really melt. And so we use mayo. And of course, we always have our little sweet baby players on deck waiting for us, which is our Himalayan salt and black pepper. So we'll be back. And oh, we have our thick cut brioche bread. Here's our vitamin content. So we're gonna start our sandwich with some pesto. Yes.
Yes.
Some pesto. Okay.
Wow.
And so here we go. We're gonna take a piece of fresh mozzarella.
I like saying mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. Fresh mozzarella.
And for any Italians, if I'm mispronouncing it, I'm sorry. Don't come for me. Okay, so we're gonna put some glaze with some sun-dried tomatoes here.
Okay.
Let's go back with the sun-dried here, Ian.
I'll turn that around for you.
Okay. And we got this like this. We got this.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I am actually gonna flip this back over again because we're gonna put our mayo right here.
Right.
Okay. And this is what he's gonna put down as the grill side first.
Right.
Now you wanna hold this, do this. Okay. Right there.
Yeah.
Okay, put your press on top and we'll come back afterwards.
Yes.
Actually, you know what? Hold this. Let's let it steam first and let's close this up.
Okay.
And here are a list of ingredients. Well, here is our gourmet grilled cheese sandwich.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Okay, thank you.
This sandwich is absolutely phenomenal. And I am absolutely loving everybody does. Don't forget to hit the like button. When you click the like button, that gives us a virtual hug. We love you guys. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.
Take care.